Stop the music! Mr. Van Furtenberg wants to say something.
What is this pickleball? It looks really fun, except all the rackets getting every which way and in your face and the ugly faces. How about the man standing half through the fence? If you didn't see them, go and look again. I'll have Dr. von Twiedlevondi try to get some better pictures.
Wait a minute. Where are the pictures of my friends? They love to play pickleball every day. It is such a great sport. Let me see. I can check my internal files and see if I have a picture of them playing.
You are just a humanoid. If you would spend more time concentrating on the house, you would be happy all the time. Instead, you are always daydreaming.
Stai zitto, Mr. Potato Head. In case you don't know, that means to be quiet in Italian. I think I may have them. Here you go. That sort of looks like my friends. They are both athletic, and she is very fit, and so is he. But I have failed because that is not them. Oh well, if you want to see more videos, you can like and subscribe. I guess I will be adding a new video every few days. Arrivederci.